I will demonstrate how the LoRa that I trained can be successfully used to actually restore damaged photo in a one-click manner without having to think much about what you're doing. It's for everyone that wants to restore their photo, and it makes things super easy. So it's kind of a generalized LoRa that allows for a very accurate and true to, I guess, the facial feature of the people within the photos so that they retain their original aspects. And it also ensures that the colors and the actual overall look and feel of the output is natural. The actual prompt I'm going to use is essentially always the same. It's going to be restore and colorize this photorealistic. We start running the workflow so we don't waste too much time. So it's going to go and it's going to do the LoRa first, and then it's going to do the standard model next. Example, as you can see, we have a very badly damaged image with fading, missing parts of the image, color, like it's almost like look like some pen marking. And here you can see the default context model is going to retain a lot of the defects. It creates a very unnatural look of the faces. It also changes the actual face of the man and the woman quite significantly. The mouth is not the same. The mustache is not quite the same either. Where you compare with the LoRa, the photo is a lot more natural. The woman looks like the woman in the original picture, and so does the man. So it does bring a lot more natural looking photorealistic output. Let's have a look at the result. So we have the original here. Kontext Dev did an okay job at kind of restoring the image, but it does create a overly contrasty image. Not what you want when you restore a photo as a result, where the Photo Restore 4.1 create a much more natural looking image. The actual face expressions and overall look is much more closer to the original. We can see the actual flowers she's holding have natural colors. All of the actual artifacts are removed